Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for the Anfield Road expansion update, but while I was here I rode past this little thing going on here, and I'll zoom in. It's a nice little surprise. Just there with the jacket on is big Virgil, showing off his skills to the kids. There he goes. We'll just stay him on him a second. So yeah. So what it is, it's McDonald fun football. So I've been over and asked what it's about, and it's basically McDonald showing that football can be for everyone and not just for those that can afford it, basically. And I've been in that position myself when I was a grassroots football coach myself. I had about 7 or 8 teams. I had about 80 to 100 kids in the teams. So I'm going to give them a wide berth, actually. And it was hard, really hard. You know, keeping it funded, trying to get, you know, parents couldn't afford subs and stuff like that, and it was just hard. So yeah, that cherry picker was up there before, but it's not now, because it took me time looking at Van Dijk. Yeah, so it's good to see that they're doing something anyway. So I'm going to fly over the ground, I'm going to have a look in that corner, but while I'm flying over, I took some footage on my phone of Virgil, so I'll put that on now while I'm flying over. Get some good height. Not that you can see because you're watching Virgil. But yeah, it's good that they're doing something. It's something that needs addressing, it really is. Because football at the moment is just unaffordable. There's teams out there, you know what, there's really good teams out there that, you know, how do you survive, I don't know. Like my lad plays in one called Custy's, and they do a great job around in my local area, around Kirkdale, Scotty Roadway. And the subs are really low. Some teams charge a lot of money. You know, you're paying like £50 to £100 a month, depending on how many kids you've got. Right, so I'm zooming in here anyway. So apparently there's a concrete pour going on. I know nothing about construction. I'm going off what you tell me in the comments, and this is why I've said from the very first video, go back and look at my first video. Comments make the content, okay? So yeah, it might be the second video because I didn't expect anyone to watch my first one. I was quite surprised when he did. But yeah, from very early on I said comments make the content, and it really does. It enlightens me, and it looks like there's concrete gone in there already. So seats being in there before the weekend? No. Grass cutting going on for the Brighton game. The pitches had a good break, hadn't it? Apart from the Legends game that well, and the Legends match was good. If you haven't seen my video of the inside, check it out. The corporate, Lee kindly got me a ticket for the corporate. Right, so I'll go back around the outside now. While I'm here, under this section here, which I've recorded on my stadium tour video, the cladding is actually getting installed, but you just can't see it from drone level. While I'm coming around, well, I'm doing a sponsored. I'm doing a charity cycle ride. I'm going to cycle the length of the Leeds to Liverpool canal. I'm going to start in Leeds and arrive in Liverpool. I'm going to do it in one day. It's a 130-mile bike ride. If anyone's joining me, you're more than welcome. And I've got a GoFundMe set up as well, so the link to the GoFundMe will be in the description of this. anyone that wants to donate to a good cause, it'll all be going to, every single penny will be going to the homeless. So yeah, thank you. Thank you to those that have already donated, and thank you to those that will donate. Thank you. I'll just have a quick look around the outside. I don't want to take too long on these now because it's almost there. Right, the road's getting tarmac there. Okay. Tarmacking going on, which is good to see. I wonder when the road will be open. So this is all pretty much done now. We're waiting for these benches to go in. Maybe they're still getting made, I don't know. Gonna be bench there and there. What's going on down here? Not too sure. But they're looking closely at something. I'll be able to see once I get onto a bigger screen. I just can't see on my phone. I'm going to come round a bit. Right, I'm flying totally zoomed in here, guys, so any little movements. It looks like they're digging a stone out. Are they digging something else? Can't tell. I'll be able to tell when I get on a bigger screen. But something's going on there. Here's a whopper on a scrambler bike. Yeah, that was all nice. That bike looks as though it's about to explode. Oh, the fumes off it stink. Okay. Just making sure he's out the way. And probably one more thing to mention is Anfield Square. My video from Anfield Square, it brought up a lot of ideas from people, which were all good ideas. You know what? There's that many. I can't possibly mention them all. There's that many ideas, but as you saw from my video, it's quite a big area. Right, we'll have one last look at what's going on with Virgil. Be great to get an interview with him, but he's got all the security all around the place. There, I think there's one just behind that flag. And they stand out a mile to stand there, like, you know, dark glasses like the Men in Black. You know, ties on, sunglasses on. But yeah, and there's Virgil in the middle there. But this is the good things that the football clubs do that we don't see. This is, you know, they can't advertise this, can they? That's going to happen today because he'll be swamped. I just got lucky, and when it turned up there, it was all going on. But yeah, so guys, on that note, I'm going to leave you on Virgil Van Dijk. If you want to donate to me, GoFundMe, I really appreciate it. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and a thumbs up is always appreciated because it lets people see that if you like it, they might like it, and I'll get recommended to them. Okay, so I'll leave it there, guys. Thanks a lot. See you all soon. Bye now.